Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Ventline 12 volt, 20 inch wide Pinnacle Ducted RV Range Hood with the LED light. Now this will let you upgrade your RV kitchen with this contemporary low profile range hood. This hood is designed for 12 inch deep cabinets, and the mounting distance needs to be at least 12 inches above the stove when you install it. Now this is a ducted range hood. If I turn it to the back, you'll be able to see the duct back here, and this must be connected to a duct with pipes that carry the airborne particles away from the kitchen to the outdoors. The rear outlet right here will release any steam and odors outside the RV, and the opening on this vent is 9 5/8 inches long by 3 inches tall. And this is what it makes different from a ductless range hood, which instead just recirculates through a charcoal filter and then back into the kitchen. If you choose to go with this ducted hood, you need to have the proper ducts installed to move the dirty air and particles out of your kitchen completely. Now this hood does use an efficient single speed fan, which will pull the air through the filter and vent it out. The filter you can see is right on the bottom here. It's a nice mesh filter. It is removable for easy cleaning or replacement. Zoom in to show you that. But basically to remove it, you can see it's held in by 3 hooks right here, and then a latch that you just swing the latch open and then pull the filter right out that way, and then you can see the fan in there. And then when you go to replace it, after you've cleaned it or you're going to put a new one in, just slide the filter under the 3 hooks right there. Got to get it started under there, and same way right under there, and then push it far enough to this hook, and then just take your latch. Oops, get it back under that hook. Now go ahead and then take your latch and just latch that closed, and it'll hold it into place. So it makes it very easy to clean it or replace it. The diameter on this filter is about 7 3/16 of an inch. Now on the front of this hood, there's 2 rocker switches that'll operate the fan and the light. It's just an on and off rocker switch. Now I am going to hook this up to some power later on to show you the fan and the light, how it operates, but I first want to go through a few more features here. The LED light is a nice bright 3 LED light that will illuminate the countertop below. And this is a nice durable steel construction, has a powder coat paint finish to resist scratching and chipping, and you can see it as a nice all black color. It does use a 2-wire design for the power, black and a white wire, or ground and a power wire, and it conforms to the UL and CSA standards. This part is made in the USA. Voltage is 12 volts DC. Give you some overall dimensions and then we'll hook it up. 20 inches wide, depth front to back 18 inches, and the height, which will be the back here, tallest portion is 4 3/4 inches tall. So what we're going to do now is hook these wires up. As we get them hooked up, I'll go ahead and show you the light and the fan. And with them hooked up, so what we're going to do now, go ahead and turn on the light. And you can see just an on and off rocker switch. Turn off our overhead lights, and you can see those 3 LEDs light up a pretty large area when this is over your stove. And again, just turn it on or off. And then on the fan, again, it's you can see you can turn it on. The fan's operating, and actually with it on, you can feel it blowing out the back vent here. And it is just a single speed, so just an on and off position. But that should do it for the review on this Ventline 12 volt, 20 inch wide Pinnacle Ducted RV Range Hood with the LED light.